Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken roast, especially Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi style chicken roast. As you can see, I have taken leg quarters, thigh and drumstick. You can take like any other parts of chicken that has a lot of meat on it. With that, I'm going to use plain yogurt, gelatin-free plain yogurt. As you can see, like I'm using 1.5 pound of chicken or 500 grams of chicken, and with that I took like 4 tablespoonful of yogurt, plain yogurt, and I'm going to use onion. As you can see, onion and the tomato here. If you just 2 small tomatoes I'm using. If you don't have tomatoes, you can use lemon juice, but in that case you need to squeeze the lemon juice with the yogurt. And let me show you the spices I'm going to use here today. I'm using 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, then ginger and garlic paste, salt to your taste, coriander leaves. You can use coriander powder as well. Or here you can see I'm using 4 bay leaves. You can use if it is big, you can use just 2 bay leaves. I'm using 4 because these are really small. And you can see I'm using 4 cloves here, 4 cardamoms, and then you can see I'm using 4 sticks of cinnamon. And black peppers I'm using around like 6 to 7 here, and salt to your taste. For frying you can use ghee or vegetable or soybean oil or even butter. For garnishing I'm using mawa and chopped almonds. I'm going to marinate the chicken with powder and paste spices, salt and oil. So I already marinated the chicken that I'm gonna roast. You can keep it for a couple hours. If you don't have time, that's fine. I'm frying the onions where I'm going to fry the chickens. I'm frying it on low heat on the oil and onions. I'm going to turn them. I'm frying the spices. So I wanted to smash the tomato, and it has been a flavorful tomato sauce because it has all the spices on it. Now I'm adding the tomato paste with the yogurt. I'm gonna add them to the chicken after chicken is fried. Now is the time to add the paste, yogurt and tomato paste on the chicken. Stir them well. Look at the paste. It looks so good and it smells really delicious. So now is the time to cover it up and let it cook for like 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you turn them. I just added the cilantro. I'm gonna keep them for a while. Our chicken fry is almost done. Now I put the mawa on the top, but it is totally optional. If you don't have mawa, don't worry about it. As you can see, our chicken roast is ready to be served. They taste really delicious and looks really awesome. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching. You can garnish chicken roast this way with almonds and with cilantro. Please subscribe for more.